On a rainy day, Sally and her brother are bored and staring out the window. Their mother is out, and they have nothing to do. Suddenly, a tall cat wearing a red and white striped hat and a bow tie appears at their door. Introducing himself as the Cat in the Hat, he promises to entertain them. Despite the warnings from their cautious pet fish, the cat insists everything will be fine and begins his antics. The cat and his companions, Thing 1 and Thing 2, cause a series of chaotic events, messing up the house as they bounce and race around. Sally and her brother are horrified at the mess and try to control the situation with little success. Just when it seems the chaos will never end, the cat produces a magical cleaning machine and tidies up everything in an instant. Their mother arrives home unaware of the mayhem that took place. The Cat in the Hat bids them farewell, leaving Sally and her brother reflecting on the extraordinary visit. The story ends on a contemplative note about the responsibilities and consequences of welcoming excitement and fun into their lives.